Okay. This.
Open it.
I guess this is Legos.
I think it's broken.
Here's Rogie.
No, it's not.
Rogie.
Sounds like golf ones a little.
Okay, are you really?
Sweetie, back up a little bit.
So Mommy can see you.
Yeah, open it.
Look, right here. Are you never opened a present before? Jeez.
Well, probably not one that big.
A box. I guess I just get a box for Christmas.
Fantastic.
Hi.
It says 405.
Go lay down.
Cool.
Go lay down. Seriously, is this your first time ever opening a present? Come on!
Rogie, step off of it.
Okay, cut, Mommy. We'll open the box and see what it is.
No.
Okay. Yeah, hold on.